Hi everyone, welcome back. Join me as we make whole grain mackerel fish together. For today's ingredients, the style of the ingredients is pastry leaf, lemon, some garlic, ginger, olive oil, yellow bell pepper to add extra flavor to this marinade, seasoning cube, salt, spring onion. Yes, first of all, I'm going to clean the three whole mackerel, cut it at the middle, remove the intestines and the gills, pat, use paper towel to dry it off, ensure your fish is dry. Yes, then I go ahead to blend all the ingredients, I mean all the ingredients except the lemon. Please don't blend the lemon. By doing this, we have achieved our green goodness. Take a look at how green it is. And go ahead and make 3 to 4 diagonal cut line on both sides of the fish. Marinate your fish with a green marinade. Ensure you place your marinade in every part of the fish. Allow it to rest in the fridge for about an hour or longer, depends on you. Now I have my sliced garlic, lemon. Yes, don't ignore the look of my lemon. I use the skin, the zest. It's called zest for baking. Yes, I love to have that to my cake. So I'm placing the lemon slice and the garlic with the pastry in the middle of the fish to add that natural flavor. And another thing lemon does in fish is going to take that strong fish smell. For those of you that don't eat fish because of the smell, lemon will reduce that smell or even take it away. So now they put it inside the fish. I'm going to use my toothpick to join the fish together so the ingredients doesn't fall apart. Now it's time to place it in the oven. I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes. Yes. And while my fish is baking, I decide to add semi and green ripe plantain. Yes, with some organic potatoes. That's why I didn't peel them. You can eat them with the peels to have more fiber. Yes, now let's go back to the oven and see. Wow, it smells heavenly. Please, where is my Gary? No, don't mind me. As a Nigerian, But for today, we'll be eating this fish with the plantain and potatoes. And I made a quick pepper sauce. Let me know if you want to see that recipe in the comment section. Thank you for joining us on today's episode. We are so grateful. Thank you, Sean. Thank you. Bye-bye.